Hey everyone, so jumping right into the tutorial. So to prep my eyelids, I'm just going to use the Helen E Stage Eyeshadow Priming Base, and I definitely need a new one of these. It's honestly so good. So I just like to apply this with a concealer brush and just going in patting motions. So I'm going to use the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. The first shade I'm going to take is in the shade Lit, and this is just a bright orange shade. So I'm just going to pack this in my crease for now, just going in patting motions, and then I will go in later and start blending with a clean blending brush, but not too much because I'm going to go back into that palette again using the shade Keen, which is a yellow shade, and then I'm going to use that shade to furthermore blend out this colour. So this tutorial was actually requested by somebody on Snapchat quite a while ago, so I will put it on the screen here now. So if you sent me that request, thank you so much, because I love this tutorial. I just love how it turned out. I'm also using that Keen shade to run that along my lower lash line as well, just to join it to my lid, and I'm really going to buff that yellow shade out. Again, because I kind of think we kind of lost the orange shade, I'm going to go in and pack that lit shade on the lid just one more time, also keeping it within the crease. And then just going in with a cheeky little blend, just to make sure that them two shades are blended seamlessly together. Going into the Carnival palette again, going to take the shade Rowdy, and I'm actually just going to focus this mainly in my crease but in the inner corner, because I am going to go in and do a half cut crease. I just wanted to do this so whenever the crease is cut, it just creates a wee bit of depth. Whenever the crease is cut, you will see what I mean. And to cut the crease, using an oldie but a goodie, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. So once I have that done, I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to pat away the excess concealer, because I'm going in with another shadow, so if there's too much excess concealer left on the lid, it will just be a bit of a mess. And then I'm going to blend out those edges as well, because you don't want a harsh line of concealer, it'll just kind of mess up the shadow. And I'm going to use a mixture between the Keen shade from the Bperfect Cosmetics palette and the yellow shade from the Jordan Lipscombe palette. And going into the Jordan Lipscombe palette, I'm going to take the medium brown shade, and I'm just going to pack this just onto the outer corner just to create and add a wee bit of depth to the eye. Blend into the crease area as well. Then taking the darkest brown in the shade, and I actually think I added a wee bit of the black as well. I'm going to even further darken up and deepen that outer corner, and in between that I'm going to go in with a wee small blender brush just to keep on blending that out. And as you can see, I'm going to be repeating those two steps, so I'm going to be packing on them two shades and blending as I go along. Then to line my waterline, I'm going to use the Nyx Mousse Eyeliner in the shade Black, and I'm also going to drag this down to my lower lash line, kind of like smudging and blending it out as well. Then going into the Carnival palette, taking the shade Lit, which is the orange shade, I'm going to use that shade just to blend that liner out a wee bit further. Then Jordan's palette, taking the darkest brown. I don't actually know why I added the brown, but I did it anyway. So yeah, here we go. But yeah, I'm now going to go in and further deepen up those shades, so the orange and now the yellow. Last but not least, we have mascara, and this is the Poundland Mascara, and I do feel a wee bit embarrassed to even say this, which is really silly, but I actually love this wee mascara for £1. It's honestly so good. I'm going to put lashes on anyway, like I always do, but for £1, it's not a bad mascara. So once I have that done, I'm just going to grab a clean brush and I'm going to go around all the edges and do one final blend so everything looks very seamless and blown out. This is the final look, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Down below will be all the products that I used, and I hope to see you all in my next video.